Numbers on Abacus. Hello friends, how are you? And Dodo, have you learned something new?
Hi friends. Hi Gia. Well, yes, learned about Abacus.
Abacus? What is this? And how we learn maths on this Abacus?
Yes, Gia, Abacus. Friends, do you also want to learn about it?
Yes, let's start.
See, Gia, this is called Abacus. These are spikes. Each ball in the ones spike stand for 1 1. Each ball in the tens spike stand for 110. Each spike can have maximum 9 balls. So, Gia, do you understand how Abacus works?
Yeah, I think so.
Friends, let's start a game to see how much you know.
Yeah, that would be fun.
Gia, can you tell which number is shown in Abacus?
Well, let's count. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. It is 14.
Right answer. Let's try another question. Now, what about this?
1, 0. It is 10.
Right answer. Yay! Did you see? It is so much fun to identify numbers on Abacus.
Yes, Dodo. Friends, hope you have also enjoyed.
Friends, we always learn better if we enjoy. So please revise and practice.
Yes, friends, enjoy learning with us. We will see you soon. Bye. Thank you.